Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my MidnightMuses box for March 2020. So, the Crossroads is the theme. Let's check it out. Crossroads. Beautiful artwork with a triple goddess. Nice, beautiful black envelope. Maple leaf. It smells familiar, but I can't place the scent. It's like a black and white tarot. The Ten of Pentacles, the Lord of Wealth. Thank you. I do feel blessed. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Here's a card. I love this box. Here is an incense. Ooh, we got this. Oh my god, so beautiful. We got a little crystal scully. I don't want to... with some dried flowers and some beautiful, maybe he's not a crystal, maybe he's a resin, but very cool. I'm going to put him back in his little bed. I love that. Very beautiful touch. Very nice. Ooh, this is really interesting looking. I'm excited to open it. I like bells. Oh wow, and it's got a key. I love that. Beautiful key. And then, what are we doing here? Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm holding it upside down, y'all. Very cool. Hold on. Let me get myself organized. So it appears that this... we got another thing here. Cool. So this is like a hanger. And this is like a little latch. We got a triquetra here. And a pentacle here. We've got a key. Bells. Maybe a swampy quartz. That's very, very, very cool. I love that. I love, love, love that. Let me see here. Ooh, we got a pretty amethyst here. Love amethyst. Ooh. What is this? Very familiar. Maybe it's not sandalwood. I don't know. I'm going to find out here in a second. So, oh my gosh, I love this. The candle with a little key. Very cool. Beeswax, of course. Very yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Got a little candy for Canyon. Got a beautiful Palo Santo with lavender. Pretty. Very beautiful presentation. We've got a beautiful new type of bag. Check this out. Very lovely. Polari organic tea. Fennel seeds, flax seeds, fenugreek, licorice root, and peppermint leaf. Interesting. These are bigger size bottles this month, I'm almost certain. Or maybe they're the same? I don't know. Lavender. Cascarilla powder. Crossroads dirt. Very nice. Very, very nice. Love that. Okay. We also got our oil. Crossroads ritual oil. Alright, let's check this out. The crossroads have long been associated with magic and sorcery. Classically, the crossroads symbolize the joining of roads, the balance of opposites, and the meeting of time and space. Deities and spirits associated with crossroads include Hecate, Hermes, Odin, Mercury, and Papa Legba, to name a few. Throughout history, offerings were left at shrines and statues for favors and blessings from them. This month we highlight Hecate, the Greek goddess of beginnings, thresholds, boundaries, light, necromancy, and crossroads. She is the queen of witchcraft, sorcery, and magic. Thanks to her association with boundaries and the liminal space between worlds, Hecate is recognized as a chthonic goddess. She is the holder of the keys that can unlock the gates between realms. Use this month's curated box to set intentions, spells for opportunity, transformation, change in destiny, for spirit communication, making wishes, finding direction, and making decisions or choices. So Nagchampa, that's what it is. Nagchampa incense, cascarilla powder, dried lavender. So let's talk about, okay, so wait, let's go back. Nagchampa is a blend of highly flavored champa flowers, rare gums, resins, and powders. It's used as an aura cleanser and said to bring one's energies into harmonious balance. Cascarilla powder may be pressed into chalk and used to draw a magical line or a circle of protection, or to draw protective symbols. It may be added to floor wash to cleanse your house of negative energy, or added to a ritual bath to wash away negative energy. Cascarilla powder can be dusted onto your body to protect you from negative energy, or dust your hands if you shake a lot of people's hands throughout the day. Very cool. If you have a spell object and wish to dispose of it, dust your hands with the powder before picking it up to protect you from being energetically affected by the item. It may also be sprinkled around your home to clear out negative energy and protect you from spiritual attacks. The dried lavender is sacred to Hecate. And we've done lavender a lot. Palo Santo smudge bundles is witch wormwood. It's with wormwood, lavender, and Palo Santo. Wormwood's for protection, love, and to aid in divination. Lavender is sacred to Hecate, and Palo Santo is a mystical tree that grows on the coast of South America and is ethically harvested from fallen limbs. It's known to raise vibrations, enhances creativity, and brings prosperity. Once you burn this, you can collect the remaining ashes left and tie them in a cloth and keep as a good luck charm. Crossroads ritual oil. Inspired by Crossroads magic, used to seek favors, manifest desires, and banish harmful spirits. It is crafted from patchouli, amber, and almond oil, infused with Crossroads dirt and dark roots. Tumbled amethyst promotes transformation, helps break bad habit, and is an excellent third eye stone. Crossroad dirt. The energy around these crossroads is believed to be caused by the constant contact with the other side. The energy and power at these crossroads will leave a strong energy residue. This is why crossroads dirt is highly prized and used often. This dirt is hand collected using traditional methods from the three corners of a crossroad and is hand sifted. Set a dish of crossroad dirt at your altar, then anoint the hand rolled beeswax candle with a few drops of the crossroad oil and burn during a waning moon to aid in removing obstacles. After your work is done, it may be discarded back to a crossroad or away from your property along with the remaining wax. There's the organic tea, witch bells. Very cool. Signal and summon the spirits in many summoning rituals. These bells feature a key, one of the symbols strongly associated with Hecate. Many witches have little bells hanging on their doorknobs to scare away unwanted spirits as they are enchanted with spells. Underworld Shadowbox tin. This tin was created with hand-poured resin skulls, vanished moss, dried star leaves, and chrysanthemums. Skulls are magical workings that are healing, divination, spiritual awakening, gateways, creation, hidden mysteries, and powers. Represent the third eye and the crown. Repositories of wisdom. It may be used as a doorway or a portal into other realms when held during intense meditation or pathworking. Spanish moss is for fertility, regeneration, growth, love, and strength. It's used for stuffing into dolls for healing and to attract love and to make war water. A stuffing in herbal pillows added to witches' bottles and used in communication and travel spells. Crossroads art, intuitively drawn card from the Hermetic Tarot. This is very cool. Very, very cool box. Midnight Muses has really never disappointed. It is very nice. Love it. Love it, love it. Not a whole lot to say. Love it. I've had Hecate boxes. I've had Hecate boxes from Sugar Muses, and this is fresh and different, and I like it a lot. So, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.